Hey there! Today we're going to learn about something cool in the world of computers called DevOps and CI/CD pipelines. Don't worry, I'll explain it like a story. Imagine a school project. Let's say you and your friends are working together on a science project. One of you writes the report, another draws pictures, and someone else prepares a presentation. Now imagine if you all worked separately and only brought everything together the day before the final submission. What if the pictures don't match the report, or the presentation is missing important facts? That would be a mess, right? So what's the better way? You all work together, share your progress every day, and fix problems as they come. This way your project stays on track and everyone is happy. That's exactly what DevOps is in the world of software. What is DevOps? The word DevOps comes from two words. Dev equals developers, people who write code. Ops equals operations, people who run the code on servers or computers. Before DevOps, developers and operations teams worked separately, just like kids working on a project without talking to each other. This caused delays, errors, and stress. DevOps is a culture where developers and operations teams work together, just like friends on a project. It helps build and deliver software faster, better, and with fewer problems. Here's a famous quote by Gene Kim, a well-known DevOps expert. DevOps is not a goal, but a never-ending process of continual improvement. What is a CI/CD pipeline? Now imagine this. Every time you make a small change to your science report, a robot checks it, fixes any spelling mistakes, prints a new copy, and shows it to your teacher. All this happens automatically in just a few seconds. That robot is like a CI/CD pipeline in software. Let's break it down. CI stands for continuous integration. It means developers keep adding their new code into one shared place many times a day. As soon as someone adds code, it is automatically checked and tested. CD stands for continuous delivery or deployment. It means once the code is tested and ready, it gets automatically sent out to users like an update on your phone or a game patch. A CI/CD pipeline is like a smart assembly line in a chocolate factory. New features go in on one side, and delicious bug-free software comes out on the other side, quickly and safely. Why is DevOps and CI/CD important? Faster delivery, just like finishing your project early. Fewer mistakes, because the computer checks the work automatically. Teamwork, developers, testers, and operations all work together. Happier users, because updates come faster and smoother. A fun example. Think about your favorite mobile game. Have you noticed how it gets new levels or bug fixes every few weeks? That's possible because the company is using DevOps and CI/CD pipelines. It helps them improve the game without waiting for months. The teams work like a well-oiled machine. So remember, DevOps is all about teamwork and smooth communication between developers and operations. CI/CD pipelines are like magic robots that build, test, and deliver software automatically. Together, they make sure your apps, games, and websites stay awesome, fast, and error-free. As someone once said, "Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much," Helen Keller. And that's exactly what DevOps is all about, working together to build amazing things. Hope you enjoyed this little journey into the world of DevOps and CI/CD.